So here you can see this is our green onion plant, which we potted over 2 months ago. It's almost 3 months, and there are many spikes giving the flower. And so what I would like to show you, what is the important thing we can cut, and I'm trying to dig some of the onion to see if we can get it. So here you can, if you will touch this one, this is very hard, so probably this is not very good for to eat, but these are very soft, so we can use this for our kitchen, and we can eat these green onion. These are kind of soft, and so these are soft green onion we can harvest today. Another thing, I would like to see if we have something here good to eat onion. So let's dig our soil and then see if we can get what type of onion we have here. Maybe we can keep it this on the other side. Yeah, I will leave it here. So I'm not using any sharp knife or something. I'm just trying to dig with my hand so that we can see if we have any good onion, and if not, then I will leave it for some more time. It's very deep, look like. So now I'm touching this roots. I think where's my onion? Let's see what we'll get it from here. Still it is very deep inside, we cannot pull, but I think this will give a better green onion, so we can cut time to time. Yeah, I think I'm not seeing any green onion here, only except this part. If we can, still bulb is small, so what we can do, we can cut from here to here, and then at least one of the, and then we can regrow from the root part. I'm trying to move it a little bit. These roots are very deep in this pot. And the root part. So here you can see this is a green onion, which is very nice. Probably we can utilize from this part to this part, and I will keep this part again, it will regrow. So let's cut this part, root part, from here, and remaining part we can utilize for our food purpose. Still this is very hard, we cannot eat, but this is soft, this we can have it. So what I am going to do, put it back this soil again here, and leave this onion roots again. It will regrow, and give some water. That's it. So basically in this plant you can see I can cut all these very soft green onion, and every time you can cut whenever we have some soft leaves. This one is also soft, and if we will dig all these at the bottom, probably we will get only bulb. This is long and soft. So this is main our crop here, which is green onion. I'm cutting only those they do not have any flower or something like that. These two are soft, we can cut them. Okay, so here you can see how many green onion we cut today, and then I will keep watering these one, and then you can see I planted another root so that it can keep growing. And there, once you, I put only 4 of them, and now here you can see there are many of these, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then that was a 7. So they are basically regrowing from inside, and it's very good. Once you plant in the flower pot, it will keep growing. So we'll see next time how many we can cut it. So this is another flower plant which is for potato. We just sown here potato peeling, and I want to check how my potatoes are growing. So let's dig slowly with our hand to see if we are getting any potatoes here. This is also more than 2.5 month plant is, so we'll keep trying to see. I will dig at least half of, because these leaves are dying, it means probably we are ready to get some potato. We'll see if we are getting any here. Yay! Here we have baby potato. That's so cool. Here you can see this one. Beautiful. So let's cut this one, and here we have baby potato. It's so nice. Let's see if we are getting more here. And see how many. Another was growing here. You can see this one is very tiny. Let's see if we have more. So look like here is another one. You can see this time this is another baby potato. So I think this is the time I have to leave these plants once again for some more time, otherwise we will get very tiny potatoes. So here you can see we got very tiny potatoes, 2 of them, and so I'm going to put my this soil, I put it again and keep watering at least, and then we'll wait for at least 2 months more, then we'll try to get see and these plants will be growing, you know, so we'll get more potatoes from here. So, and now you can see this is our today's crop which is very cool. It's look very nice, 2 tiny potatoes and then these many green onions, and then So we will leave them for some more time. My green onions as well as these potatoes, and I will harvest after 2.5 months or 2 months. So this is still June, and we'll see later on. Thank you for watching this.